So everybody knows these are, very expensive, from 75 bucks for a 6 footer all the way up to a little over $100, depending on whether it's Carrera, whether it's stone, blah, blah, blah. But I want to show you right here. This is our curb coming in the shower. And I want to show you, this is a great way. If you have ever cut your curb and went to put it in, and you can see right here how tight that is with a 16th. It's a perfect pinstripe line. And over here as well, if you have ever cut one of these and been short, or the ends are cocked sideways and you're getting a different look, and now you've just wasted that entire piece over a tape measure, this right here is perfect every single time. We take a piece of go board, and these are the go board pieces that we ripped factory on a table saw to get our original ledger board for this shower. So again, it's something we have plenty of and leftover pieces. So all these are really straight. I put these two pieces in here. You can do one piece. I put them in here and staged everything completely like this was the stone going in for our curb. Now that I've done that, it is simple to take those 2/16 out, take the go board out here, push it all the way to the end of our stone, make a mark down here on the side, cut one time, and this is going to fit like a glove. Watch this. Bam, there it is. Look at that pretty guy. So we're done. We're getting ready to start grouting and everything in this custom shower. But look, let me point this out to you. Let me show you them pinstripe lines. Okay, everywhere. It's going to be a really, really pretty shower. And we love this look right here. So the same stone that's sitting in here, sitting down there on the curb, we popped that right up in here. We love the look of that. And then as you can see, so the customer loves it, and she wanted to go with, instead of the traditional diverter back there on the wall, because of the way this is coming in entrance wise, we put it right over here. That way she just turned that on, let it get to her liking, and then boom, she steps right on in, because all this wrapped around the wall here where Tom's at. So we got some pretty little trim we're going to be putting on. Things of that nature. We got a grout steel. We got a silicone steel. But that just made it right there.